how to hide YouTube app. So for iPhones, it's different if you're on an Android. So for iPhones, what you can do here is click and hold the app that you want to hide and go down to where it says require Face ID. So what we're going to choose here is to hide and require Face ID. So go ahead and click that. It will ask you, and you want to hide the app. We're going to hit hide app, and then the app disappears. So if you're on iPhone, scroll all the way to the left until you see all of your app libraries here. And at the very bottom here, you're going to see a section where it says hidden, and you can't see anything there until you use your Face ID to actually open it up. So go ahead and click that, and it's going to ask you for your Face ID, and YouTube is sitting there in the hidden section of your apps. So what we can do is go ahead and click and hold, hit don't require Face ID anymore, and now your YouTube app is a public app once again, and you'll be able to see it on your phone once again, and that's it. That's how you would hide your YouTube app.